Hi, my name is Alison from the Outsider Chartered Accountant. Today on the Xero Bite session, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks to help make your Xero dashboard experience a little bit better. So I'm going to give you some navigation tricks and I'm going to show you how to customize your dashboard here in Xero. So the great thing about Xero is that you're not stuck with these boxes that you do or don't want to see. You may have some stuff here that you do want to see, and you may have some stuff that actually doesn't apply to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make the most of this dashboard. So we're going to go right down to the bottom here, and we've got Edit Dashboard. So now all these boxes are grayed out, and you can click and drag them and move them around as you need to. So you might want to see invoices owed to you and bills to pay, watch list, and then have your bank account showing. You might not want to see expense claims. So I'm just going to move myself over to the other corner here, and we're going to hide those expense claims. So the expense claims are hidden, and we're going to hide the business savings account because we don't need to see that either. It doesn't have bank feed set up. It doesn't apply to us. And so I'm happy with that. So I'm going to save my changes. So there we have it. My dashboard is customized, but there's an account watch list here. How did that get here, and how do you pick what accounts are on it? It's actually quite simple. So in the accounting menu, we pop down to chart of accounts. And from the chart of accounts, we can select which accounts we want to see on our watch list. Now, as it loads, you may be wanting to see how you're tracking for sales for the month and the year to date. You might want to see what your tax codes look like. These are things that we can show you on the dashboard in this account watch list box. So don't be afraid of the chart of accounts. If you're going to make changes to codes and you're not sure what you're doing, stop. However, if you want to track your sales on that account watch list, we've got down here, you click on the code and have show on dashboard watch list. So you may be wanting to track, and we'll go down and we'll find the GST code. You may be wanting to see what your GST balance is at any stage. So again, we can say tick the box, show on dashboard watch list, and save that. And we'll scroll back up to the top and we'll go to our dashboard. So now on our dashboard watch list, it's showing us the list here. Just keep in mind that this list is alphabetical, but you can have any codes, GL codes that you like to track. And with Xero, everything is clickable. So if you want to see what makes up that $18,442, you can click on it and it will show you. There we have it. So we can see the transactions that make up what's in that number. But let's go back to the dashboard and I'll show you some other cool tips and tricks. So with business bank account, we've got some 3 dots here. This brings up a little menu, sub-menu for the bank account. So you can get your reconciliation report. You can see your bank statements, your account transactions. You can create some other transactions. And if this one had live bank feed set up, there'd also be some more information out the side. So you've got those. But what are some other things that we can also do? We can also create a new sales invoice, a new bill, straight from our dashboard. But there's an even quicker way. It's this plus button, like right here, like up there. So if we click on that, it gives us a drop down and we can quickly leap into creating a new invoice, bill, contact, quote, purchase order, manual, general, spend money, receive money, transfer money. It's all there. Now the other great thing is we've got the search button, which if we went in the demo, you could search for account, amount, you can search for contacts. It's a global search that searches through everything in Xero. You can also do it by grabbing your keyboard, and on the right hand side, next to your shift key, there is a slash. And that's your keyboard shortcut to bringing up the global search in Xero. It's a trick that when I learned it, it saves me so much time. So we'll close that. There's also the button here for help. And here, if you have apps connected, there'll be a little thing here that will take you to jump into your apps. And then finally, there's a photo of me. And you can jump into your profile, your account, and you can go to Xero Learning where there's lots of great resources recorded by Xero and written by Xero that will really help you if you want to sort of go further without watching me. Also, while we're talking about it and clicking off of it, there is also this here which shows you when you last logged in, so that you can keep an eye if anything is suspicious. And again, this is your ribbon. You've got down here, you can do more with Xero. It drops down. It's your dashboard, so you can make it work for you to get the most out of your day in Xero. So my name's Alison, and thank you for watching the Outsider Chartered Accountant Xero Bite. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more informative Xero videos to help you get the most of your day. So by subscribing to our YouTube channel, you won't miss a beat. Thanks for watching so much. Bye.